Hey there, parents! Welcome back. Today, we're going to explore how we can weave heartfelt listening into our everyday moments with our kids, creating genuine connections that really strengthen our relationships. Starting conversations with warmth and openness is a beautiful way to set the tone. Imagine greeting your child with a smile and a few kind words. It creates an inviting atmosphere where they feel excited to share. Whether it's after school or during dinner, let them know you're eager to hear about their day. This warmth encourages them to open up and express their thoughts and feelings freely. As you engage in conversation, showing that you're truly listening is essential. Making eye contact, nodding, and offering thoughtful responses demonstrates your genuine interest in what they have to say. Simple phrases like, "That sounds interesting," or "I'd love to hear more about that," can make a world of difference. These actions not only show that you value their words, but they also create a safe space for deeper sharing, allowing them to feel heard and understood. Throughout your day, look for those small, precious moments when you can connect. Whether it's during car rides, cooking together, or settling down for bedtime, these opportunities are perfect for fostering closeness. Ask open-ended questions that spark conversation, such as, "What was the best part of your day?" Or, "How did that make you feel?" These questions can lead to rich discussions, allowing your child to express themselves in ways that deepen your bond. Remember, making heartfelt listening a part of your daily routine is a commitment that pays off over time. It might take a little effort at first, but the more you practice, the more natural it will become. With each conversation, you're not just building skills, you're nurturing a relationship that will last a lifetime. Thank you for being here with me today. Remember, weaving heartfelt listening into your everyday moments is a powerful way to strengthen those connections with your children. Let's keep growing and supporting one another on this journey of parenthood. See you next time.